This is not any coronavirus video. This is a video that all of us must be thankful for, realize, and be really privileged that we have these people in society with us. We support the lockdown initiative taken by our Prime Minister, and we must lock all our fears in and make this lockdown a super success. This is my heartfelt plea to all essential service providers such as delivery executives, pharmacists, medical professionals, and all those who make our daily lives so comfortable. Without you and your family's support as well, our society would crumble. The people who really need medicine and food in time, it won't reach them in time. The government, the police, and your organizations have made your safety their priority at this point of time. We really appreciate you coming to work every day. Please continue to do so, because the country can't survive without you people. This is our country's hour of need, and we need all essential personnel to come save us. We understand the sacrifices you're making and forever will be indebted. Today, I have a lady that has actually changed the way we all look at things. This is Farina. She's here working at the Apollo Pharmacy. She has a 2-year-old at home, but still has been brave and actually come out to work. Thank you, Farina. It means so much to me. Thank you. Your country appreciates your service. Thank you for putting yourself at risk and saving us. Thank you. This is not any coronavirus video. Today I'm taking this opportunity to salute all the people helping us fight this deadly virus. The doctors are in the front line of the battle, but to support our doctors, we need the support of other heroes as well. Truck drivers who drive for days, sometimes to get medicines, food supplies, and other essential goods to cities and villages all across the country. The warehouse workers who organize and move the goods that we need to survive. The store and pharmacy workers, without whom we would have no access to food or medicines. The sanitation and utility workers who are out there maintaining and running the systems that provide us with electricity, water, and gas. The police and army that are keeping the streets safe. Our police force and government is ensuring that the people who are working in the field right now are informed about the precautions they need to take to protect their family and community. If we want to come out successful against COVID-19, we must ensure that our heroes are respected and protected. Thank you for risking your lives to save ours. We will forever be indebted. Thank you all, and Jai Hind.